Specgen AI is a brand new software, and today I'm diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this revolutionary tool. If you've been looking for AI software that can take your productivity and creativity to the next level, then you're in the right place. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to decide if Specgen AI is the right fit for you. First off, Specgen AI stands out from the crowd due to its intuitive interface and lightning-fast capabilities. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced user, this tool doesn't require a steep learning curve. Specgen is designed to get you up and running immediately, which is a game changer for people who need results quickly. One of the standout features is Specgen AI's natural language processing. It allows you to input simple queries or commands and get accurate, contextually relevant outputs. So, instead of wasting time sifting through hundreds of irrelevant results like with some other AI tools, Specgen focuses on giving you exactly what you need in an instant. It's perfect for digital marketers, content creators, and even business owners who need to automate tasks like research or writing. Another thing you'll love about Specgen is its adaptability. It's not just a one-trick pony. You can integrate it with a wide range of applications to enhance its capabilities. Whether you're working with text, images, or even data, Specgen AI offers flexible support across multiple formats. This is especially useful for marketers who want to create content for blogs, social media, and even email marketing campaigns. You also get a lot of customization with Specgen. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can fine-tune it according to your needs, giving you control over how the AI generates results. This customization makes it much more powerful, compared to other tools that offer only limited control over their outputs. Plus, it's constantly learning, so the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. Another key thing to consider is Specgen AI's affordability. Given its range of features, it's surprisingly accessible, especially when compared to similar tools on the market that can cost a lot more. The price point is a major factor if you're just starting out with AI tools and want to experiment without breaking the bank. What really sets Specgen AI apart is its ability to integrate with your existing workflows. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, part of a team, or working within a larger company, Specgen fits seamlessly into your daily operations. From automating routine tasks to offering insights that would normally take hours to uncover, it adds massive value to your work process. Lastly, I should mention that Specgen AI is very secure. It uses state-of-the-art encryption methods to ensure that your data is safe, which is especially important for businesses handling sensitive information. Privacy is a top priority here, so you can feel confident using this software for your work. So, if you're considering whether Specgen AI is the right fit for you, don't wait any longer. You can try it for free by clicking the first link below this video. I've also included my recommended AI tools in the description that you can test out after trying thousands of AI tools myself. It's all about finding the software that makes your life easier, and Specgen could be that tool. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check out the links below for more detailed info.